Why is it that when you sneeze in class, half the room suddenly loses it yelling, "Bless you"?
Like I just summoned a
Demon from The Conjuring?
One kid whispers like it's a horror movie.
Another yells it from the back like he's calling in airstrikes.
And there's always that girl singing it like it's
The school anthem. The teacher,
just stares like I committed a
federal crime. Then Marcus
The guy who barely talks.
goes,
Bless you. May the spirits protect you.
Someone snickers. Another goes,
"You survived?"
Like I just fought a battle.
and Liam in the corner starts clapping like
Like I just won the Olympics.
I still haven't recovered from the time they blessed me in slow motion.
While someone threw a notebook
Like it was a sacred relic.